1, go.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Dazzlers of Division A. It's time to dazzle. We have released 16 episodes from the Dazzlers of Division A series. We saw Toastmasters expressing their journeys, remembering their experiences, and also sharing their ways to make a difference in people's lives. On our today's episode, we are inviting someone who started off her journey of Toastmasters as a shy guest participating in the table topics segment, and she could not speak a word. She went on to become the Secretary, Vice President Public Relations, and also Division PRL for Gujarat. She likes everything that sparkles, glitters, and shines, and the same is her motto in life to help others shine. Her current achievement is the prestigious Toastmaster of the Year award. Please help me welcome Toastmaster Richa Tiwari. On our today's episode, I'll be answering the questions of Dazzlers from our series. So here it starts. क्योंकि एक बार मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी तो फिर मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनती. Well, there were times when things were not going well or things were not going the way they should be going. At that time, I thought of using the ways in which my mentor or my club members solved the problem. And if I could still not get the solution, I would ask for help. And help is always provided at Toastmasters. So it was good. Well, thank you so much, Kushal. I believe in one of the 4 values of Toastmasters International, service. I like to help people and I get satisfaction when I get to resolve their queries. It keeps me going every time. Well, it was a roller coaster ride. I learned 3 things from my experience. The first one is take every role that you can. Be it contest chair, MOC, tally counter, or timer, anything. I still remember when I was a table topics contest chair for area contest. I was very nervous. It was my first role. I wanted everything to be perfect. I was speaking and my mentor smiled at me. That gave me confidence and I calmed down. So you should take every role that you can. The second thing is ask for help. I am the type of person who likes to do things on her own. I hesitate to ask people for help. It was only when I was in real trouble I reached out to somebody. And it worked like magic. As they say, help will always be given at Hogwarts to those who will ask for it. Same goes for Toastmasters. You just need to ask for help and people will give you their all. And the third thing is practice, practice, practice. I always felt that the people who are a part of this organization since long have no problem delivering speeches. It was only until I came to know more and more people that I realized their secret ingredient was practice. No matter if you are doing it for the 1000th time, just practice. And that's all. Well, that's a tough one. As it's true, we cannot expect easy things from Amit. My favorite Dazzlers episodes are an amalgamation of all of them. Jaswinder's On the Edge confidence, SRK's Just Do It spirit, Kushal's modesty, Shiv's discipline from powerlifting, Hiren's humorous touch, Dr. Bhushan's lessons from life, Neha's reach, engage, amplify for all PRs, Prakhar's motto of touching lives, Shuchita's inspirational writings, Satyam's journey from no to yes, Ritik's tips on finance, Pradeep's emotional intelligence and dedication towards his work and family, Ashutosh's clarity of designing and tips on networking, and Pankaj's will to empower people and set an example for all. Or I would say, this episode, where I'm bidding goodbye and taking back a zillion happy memories and learnings home. I think it's just the way I am. I'm always high spirited, and as my siblings call me, insane. I would love to be insane in this world full of highs and lows. I love being this way. Dearest Neha, I never thought in my wildest dreams that I would be able to interview you. I want to thank God for giving me this opportunity. Talking about my journey as a PR, there are 4 tips: plan it right, brand it right, say it right, and do it right. The most unique question. And who would it be except SRK? Well, if my life would be a fairy tale, I would like to be born in the Hogwarts era. Sip coffee with Umbridge, as she also adds 3 spoons of sugar. I would love to give Snape a pat on the back, have a discussion on Horcruxes with Professor Dumbledore, learn Transfiguration from Professor McGonagall and turn Malfoy into mice, a visit to the Dark Forest with Hagrid, fly Firebolt, and a train ride with the Golden Trio, Harry, Hermione, and Ron, tasting Bertie Bott's every flavor beans. Courageous. I would say I participated in the table topics segment even when I was scared to death, if that counts. Or I tried jumping on a trampoline. I thought I'll do it. And believe me, the 4-year-olds around me were shouting with joy. Let's just say it was a good experience screaming. Thanks, Satyam. I feel just the same. Really. I would like to draw people's attention to the term success. Unlike fame, success is different. It comes with practice. It's like brushing your teeth, a daily activity. I'm a workaholic and I love to do it. Of course, I was on cloud 9 when I got the prestigious Toastmaster of the Year award, and I will never forget that moment. Thanks for this question, Bhushan. I believe as a DPRL, the biggest challenge was churning out numbers for an event. No matter how many hours do you spend on that lovely poster, people would still want a magnet to attend your event. As they say, publicity is what you say about yourself, but PR is what they say about you. There were different ways in which I achieved that, be it from funny memes, or sharing members' experiences through short videos, or luring them with the world champion. You can keep exploring these points and make people attend your event. Thank you for this question, Pankaj. In this tenure, I have learned 2 things. The first one is trusting people. As I mentioned, I am the type of person who likes to do things on her own. And I had a difficult time trusting people with the same work quality. But then I thought of giving it a try while I was a part of the newsletter team. I worked with 3 fellow designers, Chandni, Akansha, and Rajat, and it was fabulous. Not only did they help me with the posters, but I also realized that I can just state the skeleton and let people dive deep in their creativity. And the second thing is time management. While you are performing multiple roles, it is natural to miss out on a few things. Initially, I could not figure it out, but later I decided to dedicate a whole day for a week's PR. It helped me plan other things in a better way. I think I owe it to the people who supported me, understood my plight, trusted me, and had patience. You can plan things well, but it takes a great team. In my case, it was my sister Ritu, my friend Ravi, my mentor Prakhar, our division director Jaswinder, and of course, my club's president Dhairya. Thank you so much for your love and support. It was really overwhelming. I thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I would like to thank my cameraman Ritu Tiwari and also my friend Ravi Shankar. Keep dazzling. So this is all from my side, and for the last time, this is Richa Tiwari signing off. dazzling. We have released 16 episodes so far in the division.
Nice. Distinguish. बोल moo. बोल.
Moo.
Good.